Welcome to Episode 4 of this garage build project. After digging out the land in the previous steps, the next task was to prepare the ground for the base of the garage. As you can see here, a stone layer was placed on the surface. This helps prevent new weeds from growing and as well as preventing a muddy site. It was finally time to start measuring the exact position of the garage. These measurements had to be very precise to make sure the project would comply with the local building regulations, and they would also determine the location of the foundation base for the garage. Here you can already see the initial base structure of the garage being installed. The design uses a relatively high foundation, which helps improve strength and stability, especially considering heavy rain, harsh weather, and earthquakes, which are important factors when building in Japan. The garage itself will be about 6 meters wide and 8 meters deep. We also needed to leave some space between the garage and the surrounding land. This is because a retaining wall had to be built to support the higher ground level and prevent the soil from collapsing. From this viewpoint, you can also see how open the land has become compared to before. Now that the trees are gone, the area receives a lot of sunlight. The retaining wall was built step by step. Every day, just a few hours, the constructor did 1 or 2 layers per time. Here you can see that the retaining wall is being constructed on a concrete base, reinforced with metal supports to increase strength and stability. You can also clearly see how much soil was excavated earlier, and how clean and level the land surface is now. This land is covered with a special type of soil, which is volcanic ash-based. One advantage of this material is that water drains through it very well. The retaining wall continues around the garage area and toward the edge of the property. However, I intentionally left a 2 to 3 meter opening in one section. In the future, this space could be used to create another access path to the backside of the land. Electricity was not yet existing at this land, so a local electrician supported the setup. Here you can see the pole for the incoming electricity being put. The lines from the pole to the garage will go underground. At this stage, the high foundation is now complete, and the mounting points for the garage structure have already been prepared. Because of this, it was very important to select the garage design in advance and share the detailed drawings with the contractor, so that all the mounting points would be placed correctly. This is footage after the retaining wall was also completed. On the border of the land there was also a small retaining wall needed, as you can see here. In the next step we'll start moving closer to the actual garage installation.